Guys, what are you even doing in there? Guys, welcome to the Supercar Street Racing Kitchen. We are in here today watching Supercar Street Racing live there. We also have Supercar Street Racing on the fridge right now, if you guys can believe that. It's right here on the fridge. You can see the channel up. And if we wanted to, we could watch it there as well. But today, we're gonna be showing you guys a recap of all my appliances. You can see the fridge right there. These are all the Bespoke Samsung appliances. There is the nice stove, all lit up nice and great. And there is the microwave. And then we're gonna show you guys how to change a water filter in a fridge. And specifically, we're gonna change the one in this Bespoke fridge. So go ahead and hang out with me, Brad, on Supercar Street Racing, and I'm so hyped to have you guys here. Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. We are in the kitchen today for a special Supercar Street Racing edition where we are going to be changing this awesome Samsung water filter right now. We're also going to show you guys what smart reorders are on the smart AI-based refrigerator right here, the Samsung Bespoke fridge, internet-based fridge, where we have Supercar Street Racing chilling so nicely up on the screen. This refrigerator does have the ability to order its own filters when they become low. I will show you guys that, and this one actually did get ordered by my fridge. I had nothing to do with it. It did it all by itself. You saw it go into screensaver there, but there's a good example of what the Bespoke fridge can do. And on the inside, this thing is pretty cool. There's nothing in it right now because I mostly eat out, but this thing is awesome because you can set up a zone down here that is usually the freezer to be either the freezer or the fridge, and I absolutely love that. And then on this side, you can see that is where the ice and stuff is at the bottom, but if you pull this drawer halfway out, that is where your water dispenser and your little built-in pitcher is. So it's cool, man. It's a great fridge. I have enjoyed this fridge a lot. Like I say, it doesn't have a lot of stuff in it all the time, but I do use it for sodas and things like that. And that's the Bespoke Samsung dishwasher. Same thing, very nice dishwasher. It is smart and has all the controls on the top right here, so it's got a good look. It has a nice clock out here on the outside too, which is very cool. And then moving over here, you do see the Samsung Bespoke stove right there, and that's a look at the inside of the Bespoke stove, and it has this cool touch panel on top instead of knobs, which keeps this thing very clean looking. And then of course above that, the smart microwave from Samsung, and there's a look at the inside of the microwave oven. So that's what my Samsung Bespoke appliances look like. And today, the focus is going to be on this fridge and getting this Samsung water filter changed. So hang out with us. Today, our sponsor on Supercar Street Racing is a returning sponsor, RedStarTec, who we've worked with a few times already, was so kind to send us this presentation clicker here for PowerPoint. This presentation clicker is so cool. It has multiple controls on it that allow you to provide a control for your presentation. It also has a presentation pointer, as you can see right there, and it has triple action controllers here. Holding these buttons down in various different ways will allow you to do different things on the controller right here. This thing is plug and play, and it works with almost any operating system. You don't need drivers or anything like that to make it work. And it does cool things like volume and blanking the screen. What's really cool also is it has a little storage at the bottom for your USB adapter, so it makes it easy to carry around in your briefcase and then just pull your little USB Type A out from the bottom and plug it directly into the machine you're going to be working on. Now, RedStarTec has been a longtime sponsor of the channel now. We did some earbud reviews for them last time, and now they brought us their presentation clicker to check out. Please order it directly through the description in the video and support Supercar Street Racing and RedStarTec with their presentation clicker. More online here from them in the Amazon link. I'll put it in the description. Thanks again, RedStarTec. Right in front of me is the Samsung Bespoke refrigerator, looking so fly and fresh, but there is one thing we need to do on this guy, and I will show you this. If we go to the front page here, it does have a smart filter view right here, and you can see that this filter is going to expire pretty soon. We are going to go ahead and change it out today, and we're gonna act like it's at 0%, right? Because it's got 16% left. And if we go to the details here, you can go ahead and see that it uses the HAF-QIN water filter. You can order it from Samsung here, or you can buy it on Amazon with smart reorders. And to replace it, there is a nice video here you can look at, or you can scan this code on the fridge and it will take you to the video, but it is pretty simple. It wants you to shut off the water supply line, but I did not do that last time, which is interesting. I did not do that. So I don't think I'm gonna do that this time and see if I flood the entire kitchen. Now there are actual instructions down here as well. And I believe the water filter is right here inside of the fridge. And basically, to change this water filter out, you raise this little thing right here and it will not stay up on its own. So you have to hold it up while you do this with two hands. But you basically just turn this, as it says on the front here, shut the water supply line off. I'm not doing that. Turn the knob of the filter cartridge counter clockwise 90 degrees. The filter cartridge unlocks. Pull out and remove the cartridge. Let's just go ahead and pull it out and see if we flood the place. Very hard to turn, first of all, so beware. It was very difficult to turn. And I did not flood my kitchen with that filter change. Then you simply take the new filter out of the box. There is the new filter. They come with a built-in handle. That's what you're seeing on the bottom. Now the fridge is playing me a nice song telling me that I left it open. Let's go ahead and close it so it doesn't have to play music for us. And now that we have our filter out, we have to remove the top. It is a cap, and the cap simply just pulls right off like that. Now you just insert the new cartridge and you turn it upwards and it will lock. Okay, I was able to get the water filter in there. It just takes a little pressure to turn it and lock it, and I did hear it fill up with water. So that part is done and we did not flood the kitchen. If you choose to go ahead and turn your own water off, that could be a good thing to do if you are worried about it. Now moving down the list, we are supposed to reset the filter. So let's go ahead and reset filter. Now we could have waited another 15%, which would have been about another week. But for the sake of the video, throw the old filter away and all the old crap. They do give you labels to tell you when you had replaced the filter. However, it is not necessary when you have a smart fridge. Now you see now that the water filter is clean, it shows you the install date was on February 20th, 2025. Now let's take a look at this filter on Amazon and how you can get your own water filter for your fridge from Amazon. All right, we are sitting here in front of Amazon and you can see this is a genuine Samsung water filter. It has 36,489 ratings. They have sold quite a few of these. They make big money off of these filters for not much of a product. And this thing is a 6-month life filter. So this means you can expect to replace this twice a year. I have purchased it twice so far, and there's not really a whole lot to say about this. There are other filters out there that are cheaper. They make filters for this fridge that are not genuine Samsung, but I went ahead and bought the genuine Samsung. I stayed with the OEM equipment here, and you get a slight, it's a little cheaper if you buy three though, three for $108 if you want to go ahead and stock up on your Samsung genuine filter. Now let's see if there are some other alternatives out here to the HAF-QIN, which is the type of filter. And right away you can see Waterspecialist filters, way cheaper. You can get 3 for $29. If you choose to go with an aftermarket filter, that is on you, but I personally like to stick with the Samsungs. But right there, you can apply 10% off and you can get 3 filters for 30 bucks, only $10 each compared to 30 something each for the other ones. A lot cheaper, way better option there. So go ahead and pick up yours. I will put links to both down in the description so you can take your pick on whether you want genuine or non-genuine Samsung water filters. Guys, thank you so much for watching Supercar Street Racing and also being a part of the channel as a subscriber, and for supporting the channel by buying all of your products through the affiliate links down in the description. And look at this, guys. We have 61,900 subscribers today, and this is all because of you, and we owe you a huge. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out so much when you do that, and you order any of the products you want through any of our affiliate links. Even if you browse somewhere else after you click one, you are able to help us out with a few dollars on the channel, and it means so much to us. And we hope to see you next time. We got some big things coming on the channel, so stick around. We got some big partnerships coming, but we got to bail right now. We got to go to lunch. We got to get out of here. What is that dude doing? Oh, scared me. Oh, there's another one right there next to the bird. Florida life. Chilling in the grass.